Earn $200 online every hour from Google Play Store absolutely free. The first thing you'll need is a PayPal account. If you don't, there's no ways. It's going to be perfectly free. There are other ways to redeem your cashback, but PayPal is the easiest and it's free to set up, so you definitely want to do it. Now what you need to do is go to Google Play Store, because all these 5 apps are here and this is where you want to access them. So the first app is not the top paying app now, but definitely the app you want to start with. Repocket Earn Daily, and the cool thing about this app is that basically it allows you to share your unused internet with other users and you get paid to do is. So they have a calculator here on the side. How can I earn? So let's say you have 10 devices. Maybe it's yours, your family members, a computer, is a laptop, right? Let's say you have 10 devices and the data shared back in the day was 10 gigs. Now you're making $600 a month. Let's say it's just 2 devices and you're sharing 10 gigs. That's about 120 gigs a month with completely passive income. All you have to do is download the app and let it run in the background. So this is a very cool program, a very interesting way to earn money from sharing the internet. I definitely like this program. It's not a high paying program, but definitely if you're looking to earn more than $600 per month, you definitely want to start it. The next program is called Surveys. Now this is one of the top programs out there right now. If you go to their site, they will pay you to give your opinion. As you can see, earn cash. It's a fair trade. We match your lifestyle. They pay you via PayPal, Amazon, Visa or Starbucks gift cards. So they literally just pay you to answer some question right, because big companies want to know who you are. Now what kind of cafe people drink, what restaurants they go to, what people like the most. So their business is willing to give this data to undergo surveys. Then they do surveys with people like us. You want to make just a few extra bucks because you know you're answering some questions. So it's very simple. You can definitely make $100 an hour doing a few surveys. The third program is called Observa. So this one is really cool because they actually pay you while you're in the store, while you're in the grocery store, and you just have to take a few pictures. And the reason is to make sure that grocery stores have items probably available. So if there's only 1 or 2 left, you take a picture of that particular food item. You tell the app, and then the app notifies that company, you know, hey, you need to restock this item because you don't have a lot on your shelf. It's a cool app, but they pay people to simply take a few pictures while you're at the grocery store or your favorite retailer. So very cool. I definitely like this one, and it's definitely one to add to the list when you're away, so you can start making money while you're away. The fourth program is called Steady. It's really cool program because you literally don't have to do anything except download the program. Now what this program does is they're basically giving their members about $5,500 on average. Alright, and basically they've given $4 million in emergency cash. This company is collecting grants and government incentives for all these kinds of cash incentives, and they're giving it to people who need it more than the members that you can qualify for this program. Join and see. They have access to universal basic income, unemployment insurance schemes like emergency cash assistance. So if you qualify, they literally just give you cash. So it's a very cool app. That's definitely one of the best on the Google Play Store from people who apparently use it. They do, $15 million in cash incentives have been given out to members so far, so you definitely want to check that out. If it look good, add it to the list now. The next program is called Just Play. The program is very interesting because you literally get paid to play. They give you 50 PayPal gift cards, 25 Amazon gift cards, and 100 Walmart gift cards, more than 10 million secret players, and it's literally the original loyalty. An app for gamers, so if you enjoy playing games on your phone, it doesn't matter what kind of game, it is any kind of game, they will pay you to play with. It's very interesting app that you should check out now.